Howdy, folks. We're live at 641, and we're running a mini for Spencer's Power of the Force lot. I got 53 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Top 4 win spots in a main, it looks like. I'm going to paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 53. You're going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Got a 6er. So we're good. Good luck, everybody. Gene in the top spot for round 1 and round 2. Robbie round 3. Gene round 4. Gene round 5. And our winners are Andrew, Robbie, Andrew, and Robbie. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification code and official results. RVCZOF. Andrew and Robbie are the winners of the mini, which means I'm done. That's 6:42 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's the official results and the winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.